Good afternoon, boys and girls. How are you? I believe you are all fine. Here with you is teacher Regan. And once again, I welcome you to Easy Elimu, where learning is simplified. And in our today's session, we are going to discuss reciprocal. Reciprocal is a very important topic, especially before you get to start handling the division of fractions. This is actually the prerequisite. It is the prerequisite knowledge that you need to tackle the topic of division of fractions. So what do you think, how many people have heard of the word reciprocal? In life, you have heard people saying, I will reciprocate. In other words, is to make things equal. In other words, to reciprocate is to pay back what you are done for or to. So in this case, under introduction, you can just say reciprocal is a numbers multiplier that gives a product of 1. In other words, if you take a certain number and you multiply it by its reciprocal, you'll get a product of 1. For example, consider a number A. Consider a number A when multiplied. Consider number A when multiplied by 1 over A, the product is 1. Therefore, 1 over A is the reciprocal of A. So for example, find the reciprocal the number that when, or you can have it like this. For example, solve for x in the following equations. Roman 1 can have 2x is equal to 1. 2x is equal to 1. Solution. Allow me to solve it here. Solution. Remember, I have said the reciprocal of a number is a multiplier that is its multiplier that gives a product of 1. In other words, this is a number. When you multiply by the number that you already have, you will get a product of 1. So in this instance, there is a number that is currently denoted or represented by x that was multiplied by 2 to get a product of 1. If we are able to solve this unknown, then that will be the reciprocal of the number given. So here, we shall have 2x is equal to 1, making x the subject of the formula, we have, so 2x is equal to 1. We divide both sides by the coefficients of the variable. Hence, x is equal to 1 over 2. Then you say since 2 multiplied by 1 over 2 is equal to 1, 1 over 2 is the reciprocal of 2. Roman 2, 4x is equal to 1. Solution. We have 4x is equal to 1. Divide both sides by 4. Therefore, x is equal to a quarter, which is the reciprocal of 4. Roman 3, 2 over 5, 2 over 5x is equal to 1. 2 over 5x is equal to 1. Over 5x is equal to 1. So here, solution, make x the subject of the formula, the subject of the formula, i.e. 2 over 5x is equal to 1. Multiply both sides by the denominator such that you have 2x is equal to 5. Divide both sides by 2. So our x is equal to 5 over 2, which is the reciprocal of 2 over 5. In general, given a whole number A, to get its reciprocal, we write the number as a fraction with 1 as the numerator. That is, S is equal to 1 over A. That is its reciprocal. To get the reciprocal of a fraction, say A over B, we simply swap the numerator with the denominator. I.e., A over B is reciprocal will be B over A. Examples. Are we together up to that point? Yeah, so let us look at the examples. Find the reciprocal of the following numbers. So I'll do the first two. So the first two, in the first instance we have 5. And we have said if you're hacking the whole number, you write this number as a fraction, but it becomes, that very number becomes the denominator and the numerator becomes 1. So the reciprocal here will be, this is 1, so we swap it, it becomes 1 over 5. Roman 2, we have 7, is reciprocal, that is 7 over 1, which is 1 over 7. Roman 3, if you have 4 over 7, then its reciprocal is 7 over 4. But because this is improper, we must simplify. 7 over 4 simplified is 1, 3 over 4. Very important. Roman 4, we have, if you have 3 over 5, 3 over 5, then its reciprocal will be 5 over 3. But because it is improper, we must simplify, and that is 1 and 2 over 3. So kindly do for me Roman 5, which is 6, Roman 7, we have a half, Roman 8, we have 5 over 9. Kindly do those 3 and many other examples on reciprocal that you can find. Like I said, the concept of reciprocal is a prerequisite knowledge when you have to work on the division of fractions. So in our subsequent sessions, we shall introduce division of fractions and we shall see how the idea of reciprocal comes in. Otherwise, thank you so much for your time this afternoon. See you next time.